So the first step we're doing here is provisioning durable storage with S3. And so I create a bucket named DynoStore resources. Then click create. Oops, I can't use that name. Or that one, because I can't use capitals, so I'll change it to small cr. There we go, we've created our first bucket. And we're going to create another bucket. We're going to call this one DynoStore degraded. And we'll add the CR at the end. We're putting that in Sydney. And so now we've got two buckets. And we will add some folders, the first one being site images, and then product images, and CSS, and JS, and configurations. So we've got all those folders created. We'll go in to our product images folder and we'll upload some of our product images, which we just have to find somewhere. Yeah, and content. So I'll control and select all of the product images. And then we'll start the upload. Next, we're going to upload the glyphs and the logo, and they'll go into the site images folder. And they're all uploaded, so we'll go to the Visual Studio Code and put in the address for our background image URL. And now I'm going to upload the Bootstrap CSS file into the CSS folder. Which is somewhere in here. And I have to upload the Bootstrap JS and the jQuery JS into the JS folder. The JS 2.02 and the Bootstrap JS. I'll copy them to the desktop. And upload them into the JS folder. So they're uploaded. Now in Visual Studio, go into the Bootstrap CSS file. Edit the index.html. So those links are looking correct. Now we'll go into the Dino degraded bucket and upload the index.html. it's uploaded. Now we've got to alter the properties of the Dynastore degraded bucket. So that it acts as a static web site or web hosting. So we put index.html in the index document. Now see, that's private, so only I can go and look at it. So we need to make them public so that anyone can view them when they visit the website. So add permissions for everyone to list the fold stuff in the Dynastore resources. Now I'm just having a look in Visual Studio at the site master. And just changing the Bootstrap CSS link to point to the Cloud Bootstrap CSS. And the same with the jQuery and the Bootstrap JS. And I'll go into MySQL Workbench and list all the products and change the references to the URL of the images in our S3 bucket. Whoops. And so from here I go into the products list, and as you can see I've already changed them earlier, so they should be fine. So now I go into Visual Studio and go to the Dino Store project and build it. And then if I go to the default ASPX and open that with a browser, eventually, voila, we have a broken website. With no pictures. So I need to go and change something. Might not have made them there we go. So you can see that's still local. But if we inspect the pictures, they're hosted up in the cloud. Bam. The end.